Imagine a world where real estate marketing is powered by intelligent AI agents. Sounds exciting, right? In today's fast-paced market, consumers expect quick responses. That's where autonomous marketing agents step in. These advanced systems use machine learning and natural language processing. They handle tasks like lead qualification and personalized outreach. This allows human agents to focus on strategy and building relationships. Let's explore how this evolution began. Real estate marketing shifted from manual efforts to AI-driven automation. These agents manage vast amounts of data, responding to inquiries around the clock. They craft personalized messages and adapt strategies in real time. This ensures no opportunity is overlooked. Now, why is AI adoption so important? Market pressures and consumer demand for tailored experiences drive its necessity. AI agents excel where traditional methods struggle, especially in dealing with real-time data and personalization at scale. What do these AI agents do? First, they analyze data from various sources, including MLS databases and social media. Next, they understand natural language, interpreting intent and sentiment. Finally, they execute workflows on their own, from scheduling appointments to updating lead statuses. Adopting AI agents is not just beneficial, it's essential for staying competitive. Immediate and accurate responses are crucial in today's environment. Organizations must leverage data effectively to thrive. When integrating these agents, focus on data quality, ethical compliance, and brand consistency. For organizations aiming to harness AI, effective change management is key. Education and training are vital for embracing this shift. Governance frameworks must keep transparency and uphold ethical standards. Looking ahead, trends indicate even greater advancements. Imagine predictive market analysis paired with AI agents. This could guide buyers and optimize investment strategies. This shift will redefine our marketing approaches and our roles in the industry. In summary, mastering AI agents in real estate marketing means more than just implementing technology. It's about strategically using these tools to enhance customer experiences and streamline operations. The time to engage with AI technology is now. It promises to transform the future of real estate. Ready to dive deeper? Explore our insights on mastering AI agents today. Stay ahead in the evolving real estate market. Be sure to like and subscribe. Check out the links below.